Sunday, MCA sanctioned celebrity monster truck pull and midget toss. Will Rogers Memorial Auditorium, 9 p.m. Fun for the whole family. See as Ronald McDonald rides the comeback of Bigfoot as he takes on the Burger King and Jack Kelly's one-eyed purple people eater. See these two celebrity mascots as they pull Volkswagen full of angry midgets across our mud bog. This is a time-sanctioned event, fun for the whole family. This event will probably be followed by the midget toss, using ancient catapults as they toss the little fellas towards the mud bog for distance. Sunday, 9 p.m., Will Rogers Memorial Auditorium. Bring the family and be there.